In this video, I'll show you how to set a price alert on Tradingview. Start by signing into your Tradingview account and open the chart for the asset you want to monitor. For this example, search for AAPL to open the Apple stock chart. Next, click the Alert button at the top of the chart, or right-click directly on the price level where you want to create an alert and choose Add Alert. After that, configure the alert settings. Set the condition to AAPL crossing, then enter a price such as $2.50. Choose whether the alert should trigger when the price crosses up, crosses down, or crosses either direction. Now choose how often the alert should trigger. For example, select only once if you only want a single notification, or choose another option that matches your preference. Next, choose how you'd like to receive the notification. Enable options such as app notification, email, or pop-up if they're available on your account. Finally, review your alert settings and click Create. Your alert will remain active until the price reaches the level you specified or until the alert expires or is deleted. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set a price alert on Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.